Hi, you're welcome again to Advanced Me, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Still on the series, the Excel Dictionary. In today's episode, we'll be looking at how to use the value function. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos updates. The value function converts text argument to a number. Alright, you'll be given a data in the office to work with, and you notice that this data or the numbers in the data or text in the data are not in their usual format. Don't panic, this is what you do. So for instance, if you're having something like this in my display, so you want to work with this and it is not in the usual format, all you need to do is click here and type in your is equal to, then value, click on the formula, then pick the cell you want to convert, then click on OK, your enter on your keyboard, then it's changed the argument to a number. You understand? So, and you can do that for the remaining cells. Goes to value, double click on it, pick the cell, then click on enter. Then to save you stress and your time, you can just drag from here down. It will automatically apply it to all other cells in that same column. Then you can then copy this and paste special. Done. Let's do it for the second column, that's the B. Then click on, hold on, let me clear this. So equals to value. Then you double click, you pick, then you enter. So it applies to it automatically, then you paste special. Now this is still not in the right format for amount. Then you can just select the column, then click on your in the ribbon, then you're done. You have saved time, you saved stress. So thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of this. See you in the next video.